Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, customer experience platforms must be connected, intelligent, and scalable. Microsoft Dynamics CX aims to challenge Salesforce in the enterprise CX space. Let's break it down. Microsoft Dynamics CX combines customer service, sales, and marketing tools with deep integration into Microsoft 365 and Azure. It offers omni-channel support, AI-driven insights, and workflow automation to help teams deliver personalized customer experiences. For businesses already using Microsoft tools, Dynamics CX provides strong value, seamless integration, and enterprise-grade flexibility. Microsoft Dynamics CX gives organizations a unified approach to managing customer relationships. If you're choosing between Salesforce and Microsoft in 2025, Dynamics CX delivers integration, intelligence, and enterprise power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.